Welcome to this lesson on the English article, n. In this video, we will explore one of the most important grammar rules that beginners need to master. Understanding when to use n instead of is essential for correct English grammar. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to use these articles confidently in your writing and speaking. The basic rule is simple but very important. Use the article a before consonant sounds and use the article n before vowel sounds. For example, we say a cat and a dog and a book because these words start with consonant sounds. We say an apple, an egg, and an orange because these words start with vowel sounds. Remember, the key is the sound of the word, not just the first letter. Here is a very important lesson. Always listen to the sound, not the spelling. This is where many learners make mistakes. For example, the word hour starts with the letter H, but we say an hour because the H is silent. So it sounds like hour, which is a vowel sound. Another example is university. Even though it starts with U, a vowel letter, we say a university because it sounds like U, which is a consonant sound. Always focus on the sound first. Let us look at 3 common exceptions. First, words with silent H we use n before hour, honest, and honor because the H is silent. Second, the letter U we use a before university, useful tool, and uniform because these sound like they start with the consonant sound U. Third, the letter O we use a before a one-time event and a $1 bill because these sound like they start with W or ya. These exceptions are important to remember. Now let us practice together. The first sentence is I need an apple. This is correct because apple starts with a vowel sound. The second sentence is that is a great idea. This is correct because great starts with a consonant sound. The third sentence is she has an umbrella. This is correct because umbrella starts with a vowel sound. The fourth sentence is he waited an hour. This is correct because even though hour starts with H, the H is silent, so it sounds like a vowel. Great job if you got these all correct. Let me summarize the key points from this lesson. First, use sound, not spelling, to decide between a and n. This is the most important rule. Second, use and before vowel sounds such as apple, egg, orange, and umbrella. Third, remember the exceptions, silent H words and vowels that sound like consonants such as university. Finally, always listen carefully to the first sound of the word. Practice this rule whenever you speak or write English, and soon it will become automatic for you.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.